much bullshit flying around, man, I ain't got time for that. Who you fooling? Now we just coolin'. Come chill with a cool kid. I show you how to do it. Babe. Said if it don't make dollars and it don't make sense, I ain't about to trip, nah, I ain't about to flip. Niggas on my line, still tryna book trips. Swear I'm fine, don't need your chips. Fuck who you fooling? Now we just coolin'. I show you how to do it. Come chill with a cool kid. Come chill with a cool kid, babe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Aspen here, and as you can tell by the title, or as you can tell by my thumbnail, you already know what's poppin'. Today I am back with another video, guys. It's been 4 weeks since I last uploaded. Almost 4 weeks, so I'm happy to be back. Hey, a bitch is back, y'all, and I vow to never leave that long again. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I do not have the clip of me washing this unit, but I found another clip of me washing this other cotton candy synthetic unit that I'm working on right now. But it's the exact same thing, so I just threw this footage in so you guys could kind of get a feel for what I do. After I co-washed it, I went ahead and put it on a mannequin head, and yeah, we'll go from there. So before we get to the juicy part, guys, I'm just showing you guys what I did. So I did like 80% of the unit on my mannequin head, and I'll show you all the products I use. I use quite a bit of products for this wash and go, but I'm basically just showing you how I did it. I put it on the mannequin head and I just kind of went through section by section. So you'll see in the next clips like how I actually do it. Well, firstly, I'm just going to show you guys how I tack my units down. I kind of do this in every video. You guys have seen it before. I use the Got To Be freeze spray. And yeah, and then I just blow dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy that. I'm gonna stop talking, and then I'm gonna come back when we actually get to the products I use for the wash and go.
See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl, and I don't know if I'll see you later. So I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah. My head has been spinning, I might need a minute. I've been dying to kick it, so just come with if you with it. And this game that we're playing, you want me but won't say it. If I told you I'm leaving, you would be so devastated. Oh, and I don't want no bullshit excuse, like you ain't got no time for me, as if that shit was true. Just tell me how it is, how you want it. If you're down, want a summit, I got plans and you're wanted.
Y'all probably like, about time, girl. To the juicy part, what you guys came here for, the actual wash and go. So I'm just gonna, I don't feel like doing voiceovers today, guys, so I'm gonna just let y'all enjoy the footage. It's real self-explanatory. I'll make sure to put notations on the screen, but I basically go through and detangle. After I detangle, I add a leave-in conditioner, which I will show you, a shine and detangle cluster, which I will show you, custard, not cluster, and then I do coconut oil, and I believe that's it, and a little bit of gel. But I'm just not gonna talk through it. I'm gonna show you guys. It'll all be self-explanatory. I'll show all the products, and if I need to say anything, I'll just leave comments on the screen.
Act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl, and I don't know if I'll see you later. So I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah. My head has been spinning, I might need a minute. I've been dying to kick it, so just come with if you with it. And this game that we're playing, you want me but won't say it. If I told you I'm leaving, you would be so devastated. Oh, and I don't want no bullshit excuse, like you ain't got no time for me, as if that shit was true. Just tell me how it is, how you want it. If you're down, want a summit, I got plans and you're one of them. Not trying to pretend. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it, if you bout it. Don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah. My head has been spinning, I might need a minute. I've been dying to kick it, so just come with if you with it. And this game that we're playing, you want me but won't say it. If I told you I'm leaving, you would be so devastated.
Alright guys, that is it. That is the finished product. Real simple, real easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And notification gang, where you at, where you at, where you at? Leave a comment and let me know what you guys want to see. I will be back with I seen Larisha Andrea do this like purple wig with like this purple look. Y'all, I have this blue wig. I'm coming for you, Larisha Andrea. That video really inspired me, so I think my next video this weekend I'm gonna shoot it. It's like this cotton candy wig with like some cotton candy makeup. I have the vision in my head. It's coming, y'all. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications if they are not already on, and subscribe if you are not already. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.